everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the most awaited integration of ClientJoy, that is with Pabbly. Yes, so now you will be able to connect different apps that you are using with ClientJoy easily through Pabbly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to connect your Google Sheets with ClientJoy. So whenever you create a new entry in your Google Sheets, you want a lead to be automatically created in ClientJoy. So that will be easily possible now. So let's see how you'll be able to do it. So here I have logged in into my Pabbly account, and from here you can choose the trigger that you want. That is, you want an entry to be made in your Google Sheet. So you will have to select Google Sheets here. And then you want an action to happen in ClientJoy. That is, you want a lead to be created in ClientJoy. So in action, you will have to choose ClientJoy. And then you can click on Try It Now. So here you can see that it has taken in the trigger Google Sheets, and in the trigger event a new row will be created in the spreadsheet. Now you will have to follow the below steps that they have shown here. Now you will have to log in into your Google Sheets and navigate to add-ons and get add-ons. So what I'll do is I'll show you all the steps and how you can connect your Google Sheets here. So let's see, for example, this is the Google Sheet that you are going to create. Now you can click on add-ons, get add-ons. From here, you will have to choose Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then you will have to install this app. So here you will have to log in into your Gmail account or the Google account that you are using, and you will have to click on Allow. So now you will have to go to your Gmail account and grant access to Pabbly. Now you will have to come to add-ons, click on Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on Initial Setup. Now here you can see that you have to add the webhook URL, which you will have to copy it from here, from the Pabbly. Now you can copy this, come to your Google Sheets and paste it here. And the trigger column would be the last column that is available in your Google Sheet, that is G, and click on Submit. Now, once done, what you will have to do is you will have to click on Enable Send on Event to send the data. Now, coming back here, click on Add-ons, click on Pabbly Connect Webhooks and enable this Send on Event. Now, once done, what you can do is you can come back here on Pabbly and you can click here on Capture Webhook Response. Now, when you have clicked on this, what you can do is you can come here and enter the details once. So, for example, enter the phone number, enter the email ID, enter the deal size, mention the source, and address. Now you can come back to your Pabbly account and you can see that it has captured the details from Google Sheet that you have entered. Now coming back to action, click here. Now here you will get the option of choosing the app with which in which you want the event to happen. So here we are going to choose Client Joy as we want a new lead to be created in Client Joy, and the action event will be create lead. Then you will have to connect your Client Joy account here. So you can click here, click on here credentials, and here you can see that if you have already entered the credentials once, then you can choose from the accounts here, or you can enter your email ID and password of your Client Joy account. So right now if I have already added it, so I'm going to select Client Joy and then click on save. So once done, here you can see that you will be able to see the workspace ID. So you can also choose in which workspace you want this new lead to be created. So I'm going to choose Avan Enterprises. From here you can choose from the spreadsheet. I'm going to choose the name. Title I have not mentioned, so I'm not going to mention the details. Email ID. So you can enter all the details that is available in your spreadsheet as of now. Phone number. Stage would be discovery. Currency, deal size would be 15,000. Source would be website, owner Emma Williams, and here you can choose the address as well. And if you want to enter any other details manually, so you can enter those details manually as well. So let me mention the details. Say for example, title would be manager. And then you can click on save and send test request. So here you will be able to see the API response. So you can see that it is a new lead has been created and it is success, and it has also been saved. So now we'll come to the Client Joy account, and here you can see that a new lead is created with all the details. You can click on this new lead. And see that you'll be able to see all the details that were available in the Google Sheet is also seen in your Client Joy account. And so now what you can do is you can come here and click on save. So here you will be seeing that this flow has already been saved here, and now whenever a new entry will be made in your Google Sheet, it will automatically create a new lead in Client Joy. So it is very easy to do this. Thank you.